Yeah. So for every megawatt hour of electricity that's generated, or kilowatt hour of electricity that's generated, and that's the unit of measure in the world of electricity. It's like the same as a barrel of oil or whatever. In the electricity world, it's kilowatt hour or megawatt hour. So for every unit of electricity that is generated, what a renewable energy project earns is what's called a renewable energy credit. Mm-hmm. Or it could be called an environmental attribute, or a green tag, or an environmental benefit. Call it whatever you want, but there is this benefit that is created by that electricity being created in a way that doesn't produce emissions. Mm-hmm. And then what companies do is they earn these credits, and they can use these credits to green their existing operations, to green the electricity that they're currently consuming. Renewable energy credits are sold all over the globe. Both in voluntary compliance situations and actual regulatory compliance situations. But companies that are choosing to enter into virtual PPAs are using those environmental attributes for themselves. Mm-hmm. To green their own operations to meet their corporate sustainability objectives. So if you're a mining company in a jurisdiction that has strict environmental compliance requirements, or a better example, if you're an oil sands company or oil and gas company here in Alberta that has a regulated emissions compliance requirement. We have the ESCR 2.0 program that was just announced by the new government, which is going to continue to put a price for carbon on the industrial sector in this province. Those sorts of companies that have a compliance requirement under that program can source renewable attributes, environmental attributes from renewables in Alberta as part of the program. For companies outside of Alberta that are wanting to green their Canadian operations, again, they can source the environmental attributes that are generated from the projects here in Alberta to green the electricity that they're consuming elsewhere in the country.